DJI, a name synonymous with cutting-edge drone and gimbal technology, may soon spread its wings into a new frontier, the mirrorless camera market. While the company has yet to make an official announcement, rumors are swirling that DJI's first mirrorless camera could hit the shelves as early as late 2025. If true, this move could shake up the photography and videography industries, taking on giants like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. So, what can we expect from this game-changing innovation? Let's dive in. DJI is no stranger to breaking new ground. From revolutionizing drones to crafting the Ronin 4D, a product lauded for its stabilization and high-end cinematography capabilities, the company has consistently set new benchmarks in imaging technology. The Ronin 4D in particular has been used in major film productions, proving DJI's prowess in professional-grade imaging. If DJI can channel this expertise into a mirrorless camera, it might just have what it takes to become a formidable player in this space. One of DJI's secret weapons? Its ownership of Hasselblad, a legendary name in medium-format photography. Known for their impeccable sensors and lenses, Hasselblad's technology could be the cornerstone of DJI's new camera. Rumors suggest the camera will feature a sensor inspired by Hasselblad's designs, possibly sourced from Sony. This could mean top-tier dynamic range, color accuracy, and image quality, making it a compelling option for photographers and filmmakers alike. According to leaks, DJI's mirrorless camera is expected to adopt the L-mount system, a choice that could significantly boost its versatility. The L-mount alliance already includes major manufacturers, offering users access to an extensive range of third-party lenses. This decision reflects DJI's commitment to creating a professional-grade system that fits seamlessly into existing workflows. Industry speculation surrounding DJI's rumored mirrorless camera points to some remarkable features that could redefine expectations. The camera is anticipated to offer high-resolution imaging with exceptional dynamic range, ensuring top-tier photo and video quality. Leveraging DJI's expertise in gimbals and drones, it may also feature revolutionary stabilization technology, which would appeal to filmmakers and photographers shooting in dynamic environments. Advanced video capabilities are expected to rival high-end competitors like the Sony A7R VI, making it a serious contender for professionals. One of the most exciting possibilities is a modular design, allowing users to customize the camera for various scenarios, whether it's a controlled studio setting or a rugged outdoor shoot. Connectivity might also see groundbreaking advancements, with rumored features such as fast wireless file transfers, integrated cloud backups, and eSIM functionality for direct media uploads. If DJI delivers on these promises, it could solve one of the industry's biggest pain points, simplifying complex workflows while maintaining professional-grade performance. Another intriguing rumor? A retro-inspired design influenced by Hasselblad's Scandinavian aesthetics. Clean lines, intuitive controls, and a minimalist interface could make this camera appealing not just to professionals, but also to hobbyists and newcomers. Add in DJI's track record for user-friendly interfaces, and this camera could set a new standard for ease of use. Of course, entering the mirrorless camera market means going head-to-head with established titans like Sony. The Sony A7R VI is already a powerhouse, offering 61-megapixel resolution, lightning-fast autofocus, and robust video capabilities. To compete, DJI's camera must go beyond incremental improvements. Modular designs, seamless connectivity, and Hasselblad-grade imaging could be the key to standing out. Breaking into this highly competitive market won't be easy. Sony, Canon, and Nikon have decades of experience and loyal user bases. DJI will need to deliver revolutionary features while keeping costs competitive, a tricky balancing act. There's also the challenge of building trust. Professionals invested in existing ecosystems may hesitate to switch unless DJI offers unparalleled value. If DJI succeeds, the impact could be monumental. Its focus on connectivity, usability, and innovation might push established players to rethink their strategies. More competition means more options for consumers and likely better value for money. Could DJI's entry spark a new era of camera innovation? It's a possibility we're excited to see unfold. The anticipation for DJI's first mirrorless camera is building, and if the rumors are true, it could be a game changer. What do you think? Will DJI disrupt the market, or will it fall short of expectations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest camera trends.